Hey, I'm going to show you my method of doing these up and down ballisters along this rail. So I have one that's completed with 4" per code spacing and one that's not. And all that I'm going to use for this is a pencil, a square, tape measure, and you don't really need a level or even need to know what angle it's at. So first thing you need to know, from here all the way down to there, 84 inches. From here to here, 84 inches. Alright, so you find center of that, so 42. You mark your center line right at 42. Then you're going to want 4" spacing. Got a square with a 4" mark. So from here down to there is your 4" space. Then you're going to need the size of the wood. And for that, we're going to use an actual piece of wood. That's what you're going to be using, so you're just going to measure that, put it on there, measure right along there. So that marks your wood. And you do the same thing, and you square the wood. So you got your center mark, 4" gap squared between them, and a squared piece of wood. Now from there, all you're going to do is measure the difference between 4" since you're at an angle. So that gap mark, from there to that gap, 4.5. Then you mark the second gap. Boom, now you know the difference at the angle. So you just follow it through. Bam to gap, not 4 inches, because remember, you want it 4" at the angle. So gap, piece of wood. Piece of wood. You go all the way down there, and then you do the same thing on the top. There's your center mark. You know exactly where your pieces are. So that's the differential. There's the gap. There's the wood. So when you go through and actually start screwing them down, everything's going to be perfect. Everything's going to be in line. It's going to be straight. You don't even need a level. You can check it if you want to, but you're pretty much not going to need a level with this method, and you're going to know where your pieces are. You're going to be able to space them out how you want. Like if you want a different gap right there at the end, you can have a different gap right there at the end. And you can count your pieces and you know exactly how much to buy. So try this method, you'll save a ton of time, and it works great.